Last time he was working on the top end, did a fair bit on that. Now we've got to try and sort out the way of fastening. That's what's in the van, and it's got to be fastened up to that. We do have the piece that come off of there, so that goes on there. So it won't fasten up to that. So what I'm thinking about doing is getting a piece of pipe like this, cutting that off there, and welding that in there. So let's get on with that. Looks like we're at the point where we should be able to knock that out now. Let's do a bit of test fitting on that. Yeah. You can test fitting on this. Don't look like it's going to. I'm just going to clean the end of the tool. Well, that seems to be in there nice and square. We need about 4 inches, I think. Let's just sort that out. Yeah, 4 inches should be enough. So that's got to go over the rod in the van, which is same thickness as that. Which goes to the steering box. So I'm going to mark that off, and we'll go and cut that off. I'll clean that up. Well, it's all nice and square now, so I think we'll weld that up. Looks all nice, yeah. So, get this all welded up. That's all welded and cleaned up. On to the next piece now. Well, we got that on there sorted, so I think we're going to do a test fit in the van, so let's go and see what it looks like in the van. Right, that roughly hung in place. Now we've just got to sort out. That's longer than I was expecting. So we have to do a bit more work on this. Got to cut this down here. Probably cut a bit more of this off, and then shorten that. So I better do some marking up. Ratio. Right, that's going to need to go down to about there. We're going to have to try and cut a bit more of this off as well. And I'm going to shorten that back to about there. So otherwise it seems to be going up there. Well, once it's bolted up, it should go up there quite nicely. Well, that's all been shortened. Right, let's get a bit of shortening of that done on these things. Oh, that looks quite good there like that. So what we're going to do is trim down that bottom bit now. We're going to do the one piece in the shed anyway. Right, back to the shed. Well, the test fit went quite well. I'm just going to drill some holes in this now so we can weld through when I actually put it in the van. So some holes drilled in this. I want to make them bigger, so we get a bigger drill.
there, just so I can get weld into there onto the shaft. It's in the van, which is the same as this. So I've got to weld through. So that's in there, like that. Weld into them holes, and hopefully I'll be able to get some weld around the bottom. Gonna have to shorten this down a bit now. Well, it looks like it's all fitting quite nice. I'll get some weld in there once I get it in the van. Get some on the bottom. It should be quite solid then. Right. The next bit again. Right, after the test fit, now I know this is all in the right place. So we're going to weld this up to make it a bit stronger. So we'll get on that job and get all this welded up. Some nice welds in there, and around the edge. Oh, that looks a lot stronger there. Should hold it. Right, that's it for now. Hopefully next time we're going to get all this welded in the van and all this fastened in. Right, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.